You opened this because your schedule is in ruins again. You're smart. You've always been the gifted one. But right now, you're staring at a syllabus that feels like a death warrant, and you're paralyzed. You're working harder than everyone else, yet you're falling behind. I've been there. I spent my sophomore year burning out so hard I couldn't look at a textbook without shaking. I was doing all the right things, the 12-hour library sessions, the highlighted notes, the color-coded planners. It was all garbage. By minute 15 of this video, I'm giving you the exact 3-block system I used to go from academic probation warnings to the dean's list while actually sleeping 8 hours a night. This isn't theory, it's how I salvaged my degree after bombing my midterms. But first, a warning. That Pomodoro timer you love? It's probably frying your focus. You're teaching your brain to quit every 25 minutes just when it's reaching flow state. We're killing that habit today. Look, we aren't just studying harder. That's a scam. We are rebuilding your engine in 4 phases. First, the morning reset, how to stop losing the war in the first 10 minutes. Second, the deep work engine, why 2 hours of monk mode beats 8 hours of library roleplay. Third, the Anti-Burnout Shield. This is the big one. If you skip this, the other 2 don't matter. And finally, the evening close, how to actually turn your brain off so you don't hallucinate spreadsheets in your sleep. Stick around for phase 3. It's the reason I didn't quit school entirely. Phase 1. The morning reset. If your morning feels like a chaotic race to catch up, you've already lost. You wake up, grab your phone, and hit yourself with a 400% dopamine spike from TikTok or Instagram. Your brain is now primed for distraction. You spend the next 3 hours in a brain fog trying to focus on boring calculus when your mind just wants more fast content. We're switching to the 10-10-10 rule. No phone for 10 minutes. 10 minutes of sunlight, and yes, actually go outside. Then 10 minutes of ugly planning, writing down the one thing that makes today a win. This isn't manifesting, this is biology. It regulates your cortisol awakening response. It tells your brain we are the ones in control, not the notifications. Right now, promise me one thing. Tonight, put your phone in a different room. Buy a cheap alarm clock. Try it for just one morning. But a clean morning is useless if you sit down to work and your brain feels like a browser with 50 tabs open. That's phase 2. Phase 2, the deep work engine. Most students do what I call library role play. You sit there for 6 hours, but you only do 45 minutes of real work. You're studying with your phone next to you. Every buzz is a context switch. It takes your brain an average of 23 minutes to get back to deep focus after one single text. You aren't bad at math, you're just never actually doing math. We are moving to 90-minute sprints. No Pomodoro, no breaks, just one task. Use body doubling or lo-fi if you have to, but your phone stays in a locker or a drawer. Tomorrow, I want you to do one 90-minute block with 0 distractions. Just one. See how much you actually get done when you aren't leaking focus every 20 minutes. Phase 3, the Anti-Burnout Shield. This is where smart students die. They think rest is a reward for finishing. You feel guilty whenever you're not studying. So what do? You half study while watching Netflix. You get neither the grades nor the relaxation. You're living in a constant state of gray fatigue. You need scheduled boredom. You need at least 1 hour a day where you are unproductive. No podcasts, no books, no screens, just a walk or a meal. This is when your brain actually processes the information you just crammed into it. Here is your micro action. Block out 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. as a no-value zone. You are forbidden from being productive. Watch what happens to your focus the next morning. Let's recap. The morning reset. Kill the phone, find the sun. The deep work engine. 90-minute sprints over 8-hour marathons. The Anti-Burnout Shield. Schedule boredom to save your sanity. Imagine next Sunday. You've actually done the work. You aren't scrolling through Reddit looking for study hacks because you are the system. You're at the gym or out with friends, and you don't feel a single ounce of guilt. You think you don't have time for this? You don't have time not to do this. You're currently wasting 4 hours a day in gray focus. You've got the full system now. No excuses. If this finally clicked for you, hit the like button so I know this resonated. Subscribe if you're done with the hustle porn and you want the raw truth on how to win at this student game without losing your mind. And look, if you're actually committing to this starting tomorrow, drop a comment below and tell me which phase you're starting with. I'll be in there replying and keeping you accountable. Let's get to work.